kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Sa mga new subscribers, maraming salamat for visiting my channel. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you, mga gabay at blessings for Leo, March 20 to 25. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by not skipping ads. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Leo. Energies. Okay. You are driven. Okay. Meron kayong gustong ma-achieve. Kailangan lang din ng confidence, no? And courage or bravery. Okay. For some of you, merong international travel, merong movement dito. Okay. For some of you, there is victory over a situation or a problem. Okay. Kung meron mang mga delays, merong ending dyan. For some of you, yung hard work ninyo will have good results. You are oozing with confidence dito. Okay, you are glowing for some of you. We have the 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups, and the 9 of Swords. Okay, for some of you, meron kayong mga wino-worry, no? Or maybe you are working late or nagpupuyat kayo, no? Madami kayong mga anxieties, okay? Yeah, all that glitters is not gold. Meron kayong mga pinag-aaralan ng mga sitwasyon. Meron kayong nire-review, okay, before you make a complicated or a difficult decision. For some of you, may mga problema dito but you are turning your back, you are walking away because you know that nothing more can be done, no, sa isang sitwasyon. Merong disappointment dito but you are moving on, okay? The Chariot, tingnan natin, ano to? Chariot. We have the 4 of Pentacles. Okay. You are protecting what you have, or you are protecting what you have created. You are protecting your power, your role, no, your money, something like that. Okay. For some of you, you are guarding your success, no? Parang binabantayan mo, pinoprotectionan mo. You are afraid of losing your status or accomplishment. That's for some of you, okay? Yeah. Sa mga potential na mga problema, no? Parang pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo. The Empress, ano to? Okay. We have the 8 of Wands. Alright. Yeah, for some of you, merong progress na nangyayari sa inyo. May mga exchange of communication. This is a business trip also, or many things happening at once. Alright? Yeah. Para madami kayong asikasuhin. 8 of Cups. Ano to? We have the Queen of Cups. Yeah. For some of you, you are easygoing. You are intuitive, no? Kung ano man yung mga desisyon na ginagawa mo or gagawin mo, it is governed by your emotion. You are very intuitive. You are listening to your intuition. Okay? For some of you, you have to take care of your well-being, no? Kailangan mo pangalagaan yung sarili mo or yung kalusugan mo. 7 of Cups. Tingnan natin. Ano to? That's why you have to turn away, no? Sa mga problema. Lalo na yung hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. Emotionally. Alright? Or hindi makakabuti sa inyong health. We have the 7 of Cups. Okay? Confirming 7 of Cups. Ibig sabihin, parang sinasabi dito na bago kayo gumawa ng isang judgment or ng isang desisyon, kailangan pag-aralan ng mabuti. Kailangan dito ng research. Okay? All that glitters is not gold, no? Also, do not procrastinate in making a decision, no? Or in making action. Okay? Knight of Swords. Tingnan natin, ano tong 9 of Swords. Yeah, meron tayong mga fears and frustrations, so you have to let go sa mga ganyang klaseng emosyon. Okay? May worries ka that you will not have the happy ending. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, may worries ka that you may not be meeting your family or you will not be enjoying time with them or wala kang enough time sa kanila, something like that. Okay, for some of you, you are worried about an accomplishment. Okay. Leo. We have the Emperor, the Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, there is a new beginning for you. You will be exercising your power and your authority. You may be planning on something na magbibigay sa inyo ng stability either in the organization or sa personal life mo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving a new offer or may naisip kang mga business venture na gusto ninyong umpisahan. Also, money is coming here. Your wish will be granted. Okay, for some of you, you are frustrated over a situation. Feeling mo trapped ka mentally, no? Parang wala kang magawa. Alright? Yeah, for some of you, merong money contentment dito sa inyo, no? Merong signing of an agreement or a contract, okay? You are building legacy, no? Merong completion also of maybe an education here, completion of a project, or a venture, creative venture, something like that, okay? Five of Pentacles, yeah, for some of you, merong mga delays or problema, no? Sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho. You feeling mo you are not supported. You are feeling left out in the cold. Okay, that's for some of you. The Emperor, ano to? Yeah, the World. Yeah, so be confident, no, na matatapos yung isang gawain or yung isang trabaho successfully, no, na magbibigay sa inyo ng fulfillment and pride. For some of you, this is a milestone moment for you. Parang importante itong project na to na kailangang matapos. So, that's why you are exercising your authority, your leadership, your power. Okay? Merong completion dito, no, of a phase, no, sa isang trabaho. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, travel. You are thinking about or planning about traveling. International. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Ano to? Okay, wealth, no? So, you are establishing long-term stability or financial stability. Okay? Merong bago kang negosyo na umpisahan or merong kang mga new ideas, no, na umpisahan. This is a new business venture, a new career, a new job na magbibigay sa inyo ng kasaganahan financially, okay, or kaluwagan, no? Eight of Swords. Ano to? Eight of Swords. Yeah, King of Swords. Alright. For some of you, meron kang doubts, no, or confusion about some truth. Okay, you need clarity. Okay. Honest communication is needed here and transparency. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are fighting for some truth, but feeling mo you are not supported or parang wala kang magawa. Okay. It may be sa trabaho to or sa isang organization or sa isang institution. Okay, for some of you, speak your mind with confidence, no? Kung may kailangan kang clarify, speak it up. Kung may kailangan kang i-inquire, tanungin mo. Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Ano to? We have the Love. Yeah, for some of you, merong joining of two people here, parang nagtutulungan about finances, okay? Merong partnership and collaboration, a successful collaboration. Yeah, parang merong tao na nagbibigay sa iyo ng assistance, no, in accumulating your money or your finances, alright? Or tumutulong sa inyo sa trabaho, no, na maging successful. Five of Pentacles. Ano to? We have the Eight of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, let go, no? Kung meron mga problema or yeah, do not dwell, no? Sa kung ano may yung disappointment or problems or kung meron mang hindi tumutulong sa inyo, you know you can do better, no? You're turning, ano tag dito? You're walking away, okay? Because you know that nothing more can be done sa isang situation. Yeah. merong desire also to move on, no? Kung walang sumusuporta sa inyo, parang feeling mo, it's okay, no? Parang, meron pang ibang solusyon, okay? Parang ganon. Yeah? Just take what resonates for you, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. We have the strength. This is you. You have the inner strength, no? Kung meron mang mga confrontation dito with other people, alam mong kayang-kaya mo. Okay? Kung may mga conflicts dito, you know how to handle it with confidence, no? But controlled and meron kang disiplina. Okay? Tingnan natin more. We have the Page of Swords, no? So, parang naniniwala kayo na the truth will come out in the end. Okay? Parang, maybe you are learning something new, no? Or malakas ang inyong conviction na magiging maayos din yung situation. You are believing, you believe that you are doing the right thing, no? For some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, parang naghahanap kayo ng mga ways, no? Para makakuha ng mga information or solusyon, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you're getting information or messages na makakatulong sa inyo kung meron kayong i-prove na something, okay? Mga facts, mga truth, mga news, or other useful information na pwede mong magamit to progress, no? Or to move forward, no? Or na makakatulong sa inyo, okay? Tingnan natin. Leo. You have the sun, yeah. Okay, for some of you, may mga bright solution or bright ideas kang maiisip, no? You will be rewarded for some of you, or you will be receiving an award, no? Merong promise of happiness dito, okay? May mga bright solution or ideas or prospects kang naiisip or darating, no? Na makakatulong sa inyo to progress. Alright? Leo. We have the Temperance. So, balance your emotions, no? Moderation lang, no? Balance and harmony is needed. For some of you, you need to be patient, no? Sa current situation, no? Pakalmahin ang sarili, alright? Self-control is needed here. For some of you, may mga restrictions dito, but kailangan mo maging patient, no? Maybe sa trabaho mo to, sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo, okay? Or sa isang sitwasyon, no? Tingnan natin. We have the King of Cups. Okay. A father figure or a father, no? Siguro merong someone dito na that you are dealing with, maybe a Scorpio, no? Na parang kailangan ng inyong tulong or advice, or kailangan ng inyong compassion or malasakit. Okay? For some of you, yes, you need to be understanding sa mga tao na nasa paligid mo. Okay? Kailangan ng inyong tulong also, Leo. Strength, tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, you are thinking of ways, no? Mga means and ways to improve further yung trabaho mo o yung tinatrabaho mo. Project man to, okay? Siguro meron kang laging minomonitor, no, na progress. Maybe, minomonitor mo yung progress ng kaperahan mo or ng inyong finances or simply ng isang proyekto, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, do not be despair or wag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, no? May solusyon. Page of Swords. Ano to? We have the Seven of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, you are acting as a protector or merong defensiveness dito. Okay? You are defending what you know is right. No, you are defending your territory, or you're standing up for yourself, no? Sa mga beliefs mo, something like that. Okay? You are facing conflicts here head on. Yung iba sa inyo, you are protecting your moral, no? Yeah, merong mga marites dito. May mga spying and stalking about you. The Sun, tingnan natin, ano to? Yeah, Page of Pentacles, yeah, success in material wealth, no? There is a new beginning, a new contract, or new business idea kang naisip or sisimulan, no? For some of you, this is a new job, a new career, okay? Merong success dito, so tuloy lang, no? Kung merong mga offer sa inyo, this is something na magbibigay ito sa inyo ng kasaganahan. The Temperance, tingnan natin, ano to? We have the Nine of Swords, yeah. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nagpupuyat, no? Okay. You are thinking negatively. Okay, may mga negative thoughts ka or nag-overthink ka over a situation. King of Cups, tingnan natin, ano to? We have the Moon. Yeah, for some of you, may mga hidden agenda sa office or sa trabaho or sa mga katrabaho mo. Okay, may parang uncertain times, no? You are doubtful sa isang situation. Okay. One more. We have the Two of Pentacles, yeah. Work-life balance is needed here. You are juggling two situations or ideas. You are busy, no? Knight of Swords. Yeah, for some of you, may mga solusyon kang naisip, no? You are very aggressive. So, think carefully before you act or before you decide on something. We have the Three of Wands. Yeah, okay. For some of you, just be patient for now. Things are looking very good, no? For some of you, plan ka na about your future. May abundance na paparating. You are waiting on something, a profit or income. You are looking forward to receive it. Okay. Leo, Two of Pentacles. Ano to? We have the Princess of Cups. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving good news, no? Merong tulong na darating or merong tulong na ibibigay sa'yo, no? Para mapaayos yung trabaho mo or mapadali. Okay. Knight of Swords. Tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Knight of Cups. Okay. You are thinking big. You are dreaming big. But hard work is needed here. Be confident, no? Sa inyong kakayahan. Also, huwag padalos-dalos sa mga aksyon na gagawin sa mga sasabihin. Okay. Three of Wands. Tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Four of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, parang may inaantay kayo but you are quite bored, no? Or merong mga ino-offer sa'yo pero hindi ka ganun ka-interesado. For some of you, parang nawawalan ka ng interest sa isang situation na meron kang high hopes sa isang situation pero parang nawawalan ka ng pag-asa. Okay? Okay. So, Leo, siguro kailangan mong maging confident, no? Trust the process kung ano man itong tinatrabaho mo. Okay? Magtiwala ka sa inyong sariling kakayahan. Okay? Okay. Additional message for Leo. We have the opportunity. Change is coming just in time, no? May mga bagong opportunity, job opportunities, a change of workplace, or merong mga business trip or travel. For some of you, be flexible in your methods, no? Social status, yeah, don't get arrogant, yeah? For some of you, you will be reaching the heights of success and fame sa society or sa community mo. Okay, so, yeah, do not get arrogant. One more message for Leo. We have, make today your new beginning. Try to leave any past mistakes in the past. Don't allow them to weigh you down any longer. Move forward today with the confidence and knowing that you have better and brighter days ahead. Okay? So, be confident. Iwanan yung mga past mistakes mo sa past, no? yung iba sa inyo, you need to move forward, move on with confidence. Okay? So, Leo, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!